Oyaore, ma en Luo English Dictionary. Nyinga en Nikki.
To nyinga en Agina.
Kawuono, wadwa nyisou dend dhano.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. And this is the Luo English Dictionary. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today we want to talk about the human body. Human body, dend dhano.
Dend dhano.
The entire human body is called dend dhano.
Dend dhano.
Dend dhano.
Dend dhano.
So, today we want to talk about the parts of the human body, the Luo name, English name, and a small sentence around that body, okay? So, as usual, we start with the head. And your head, the entire head is called
Wiya.
Wiya. Wiya.
Wiya.
Wiya.
Wiya.
So, if it's your head, we say wiyi.
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 If it is our head, we say wiwa.
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 If it is their head, we say wigi.
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 And if it is his head or her head, we say wiye.
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 So that is how head takes different forms. And we are going to line them up here so that you just see how all the different forms of position of the head. Okay? So, what sentence can we use? Let's use a sentence like, I have a headache. If you have a headache, what would you say?
Wiya bara.
Wiya bara. So, I have a headache. Wiya bara. But if your head is big, if you want to say, my head is big, you would say, wiya duong.
Wiya duong.
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 Wiya duong.
Wiya duong.
And if it's small, you would say,
Wiya matin.
wiya tin.
Wiya tin.
Wiya tin.
Wiya tin.
And wiya tin means different thing. It might mean your head is small, but it might also mean that you're feeling, I don't remember the English translation.
Small.
No, not small.
Okay.
The next thing we are going to talk about is the eye. Wang.
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 Wenge.
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 Wang.
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 Wenge.
Wenge.
Wenge na.
Wenge na.
Wenge ni.
Wenge ni.
Wenge wa.
Wenge wa.
Wenge gi.
Wenge gi.
Wenge ge.
Wenge nge.
Ge.
Ge.
Not nge. Wenge ge.
Wenge ge.
Wenge ge.
Wenge ge.
Okay? That means I. My eye, your eye, their eye, her eye, his eye, our eyes, you know. For a sentence, we would say, Wanga otimo ololo.
Wanga otimo ololo.
Now, you know that thing that comes in the morning when you wake up? That thing that comes on your eye here?
Yeah.
It is called ololo.
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 So, I don't know how you call it in English, that thing that comes to your eye in the morning when you wake up. Then, if someone wakes up in the morning and you see that thing on their eye, you would say them, Wangi otimo ololo.
Wangi otimo ololo.
The next advice you'd give them is, Diluok wangi.
Diluok luangi.
Diluok wangi.
Diluok wangi.
So diluok wangi might mean what?
Go wash your eyes.
Go wash your eyes, okay? Or, gimoro odonjo e wanga.
Gimoro odonjo e wanga.
What does that mean?
Something has entered my eye.
Yes, something has entered into my eye. Maybe it's an insect has entered into my eye. Gimoro odonjo e wanga.
Gimoro odonjo e wanga.
And in our place where I come from, you'd say kudna.
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 Kudna means like blow eye so that it gets out. That's what we used to do. I don't know whether it's still done. We go on to nose. Nose is Uma.
Uma.
Umi.
Umi.
Ume.
Ume.
Umwa.
Umwa.
Umgi.
Umgi.
Nose. And what would we say about the nose? Uma otimo othinyo. No, not mine. Nyathino otimo othinyo.
Nyathino otimo nyathino.
Otimo othinyo.
Othinyo.
Nyathino otimo othinyo.
Nyathino otimo othinyo.
Nyathino
Nyathino
otimo othinyo.
otimo othinyo.
That means that child's nose has mucus. Okay? Nyathino
Nyathino
otimo othinyo.
otimo othinyo.
Yes. Or ng'ato obanjo uma adong.
Ng'ato obanjo uma athom.
Adong.
Adhom.
Ng'ato obanjo
Ng'ato obanjo
uma adong.
adhom.
That means someone adong.
Adong.
Ng'ato obanjo uma adong.
Ng'ato obanjo uma adong.
That means someone has boxed my nose. So my nose is broken.
Broken.
Yes. Ng'ato obanjo uma adong. Okay? Good. Let's move on to mouth. And mouth is dog.
Dok.
Dog.
Dok.
Doga.
Doga.
Dogi.
Dogi.
Doge.
Doge.
Doggy.
Dogi.
Dogwa.
Dogwa.
Doggy.
Doggi. How about dogu?
Dogu. Yes,
Dogu.
dogu. So that is mouth, okay? And a sentence on mouth? Any English sentence on mouth? Boom, cut. We are thinking.
Okay, we're thinking. Okay, sentence on mouth. Unaona ukianguka, alafu your mouth starts bleeding.
Yes, higher. So,
Okay.
Doga chwer nikech agora piny.
Dhoga chwer nikech agora piny.
Doga chwer
Dhoga chwer
nikech agora piny.
nikech agora piny.
So that means that your mouth is bleeding because you've fallen down, okay? Good. We move on to the next one, which is
Yeah.
ear. And your ear is called it.
Eat.
It.
Eat.
And it is it. So it's the same it.
It.
But you say it.
Eat.
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 You know,
eat.
like when you're told to eat, when you have food.
Yeah.
Eat.
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 Eat. Maggie eater.
Maggie eater.
Maggie eater.
Maggie eater.
Mago iti.
Mago eaty.
Mago iti.
Mago eaty.
Maka ite.
Maka ite.
So is his iti, ita, ite, itu. Okay. Good. And a sentence? Ite dongo kamagliech.
Ite dongo kamakliech.
Ite dongo
Ite dongo
kamagliech.
kamagliech.
That means that his ears are so big like an elephant's. Okay.
As big as.
As big as an elephant. Ite dongo kamagliech.
Ite dongo kamagliech.
Yes, so my ears are as big as those of an elephant. Good. The next one is the hair.
Hair.
Hair has different names depending on where it is. The hair on top of your head is called ear witch.
Year witch.
Ear witch.
Year witch.
For a sentence, you'd say, apando yer wiya ei ogudu.
Oh. Apando year wia ei ogudu.
Apando yer wiya ei ogudu.
Apando year wia ei ogudu.
So what does that mean?
Whoa. I've planted something on my head.
I'm hiding my hair inside this cap, this hat. Now you say it again because it's you I'm talking about.
Oh. Apando year wia ei ogudu.
Yes, apando yeruia ei ogudu. That means you're hiding your hair in your hat.
Yes.
Good. Here. Lemba.
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 So this is the, how you call it in English? The cheek. So the cheek is lemba.
Lemb.
Lemba.
Lemba.
Ma and lemba.
Ma and lemba.
Ma and lemba.
Ma and lemba.
So when you tell a child, abiro pado lembi,
Abiro pado
I
lembi.
will slap your cheek. Abiro pado lembi.
Abiro pado lembi.
Yes. Now, this hair here. You see this here?
Wait, let the camera zoom in.
No, let's just. This hair, this one.
Yeah.
This one.
Your eyelash.
Your eyelashes. You call them yerwang.
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 Magi gin yerwanga.
Magi gin yerwanga.
Or yerwang odonjo ewanga.
Yerwang odonjo ewanga.
So there's an eyelash has got into my eye. Yerwang odonjo ewanga. Okay. Good. Then we move on to here. No. Here.
What?
Here.
Oh.
Here. Tick.
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 Tika.
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 Tiki.
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 Tike.
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 Tiku.
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 So that means my what? My long.
Chin.
My chin, yes, my chin. My tika. Okay? Sentence for tika. Tika otimo year.
Tika otimo yer.
My chin has hair. So you'd say that is a what? How do you call these things in English?
Beard.
Beard. Year tika.
Yer tika.
Year tika is my beard hair, okay? Year tika. The next one is lak.
Lak.
Laka.
Laka.
Laka. One
Laka.
lak. One lak is one lak. One tooth is lak.
Yes.
Many is many
Lek.
teeth is leke.
Leke.
Teeth is leke, but
Leke.
tooth is lak.
Lak.
Lak achiel.
Lak achiel.
Leke ariyo.
Leke ario.
Leke adek.
Leke adek.
Lak achiel. Leke ariyo.
Lak achiel. Leke ario. Lak.
Leke na rama.
Leke na rama.
So my teeth are I have some pain on my teeth. Or leke na otimo. When you say it is rotten. Leke na otop.
Leke na otop.
Leke na otop.
Leke na otop.
My teeth are rotten. Is that an English thing?
Decaying.
Yeah, decaying. Now you see, I don't have English in my brain. My teeth are decaying. Leke na otop. Okay. Good. Hang on.
Tongue.
Lep.
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 Lewa.
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 Lewi.
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 Lewe.
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 Lewu.
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 Lewa.
Lewa.
Otimo. Chak.
Otimo chak.
So what does that mean?
There's milk on my tongue.
Yes, my tongue has some bits of milk, okay? Lewa otimo.
Chak.
Chak. Lewa otimo chak. Good. Let's move on to this part. And this is called
Neck.
moot.
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 Not moot. Ng.
Moot. Moot.
Moot.
Moot.
Muta.
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 Ma en nguta.
Ma en nguta.
Ma en nguta.
Ma en nguta.
Nguta chwe.
Nguta chwe.
Nguta chwe.
Nguta chwe.
Or nguta ongado.
Oh, nguta ongado.
Nguta ongado.
Nguta ongado.
So nguta ongado means you see these people who have the like lines on their neck because of their chubby. You know chubby people who have.
So you say my neck is fat.
Yes, it's like saying my neck is fat, but you're actually saying that nguta ongado. Okay? Or and there's another way of complimenting somebody, okay? If you've not met for a long time, and this is just a form of saying, hey, you're doing well. You could say, hey, nguti ongado, you know. So that's like saying, hey, your neck is chubby. It looks like you're doing well, okay? So next time you meet somebody, just say, hey, nguti ongado. Idhi maber, kara idhi maber, okay? Nguta ongado. So say nguta ongado.
Nguta ongado.
Or ngute ongado.
Ngute ongado.
Good. This part, how do you say this one in English? Shoulder. Shoulder is goka.
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 Ma en 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 goka.
Ting nyathino e goki.
Ting nyathino e goki.
Like carry that kid on your shoulder.
When they're like...
Yes. Yeah. Carry the kid on your shoulder. Ting nyathino e goki. Then you move to chest.
Chest.
Agoka.
Agoka.
Agoko.
Agoko.
Oh, I'm hitting the microphone. Agoko.
Agoko.
Ma en agoga.
Ma en agoga.
No, that is not your agogi. Your agogi is up here. Yes.
I'm hitting the microphone.
No, they don't hit the microphone by saying, oh, ma en agoga in the stomach. Ma en agoga.
Ma en agoga.
So this is my chest, okay? Now, en gi agoko maber.
En gin agoko maber.
En gi agoko maber.
En gi agoko maber.
Nikech oting'o chuma.
Nikech oting'o chuma. Wow. Nikech oting'o chuma.
En gi agoko maber nikech oting'o chuma.
En gi agoko maber nikech oting'o chuma.
So he has a good chest because he's lifting weights. That's the meaning, okay? Now, we move on to this part. Is this the elbow?
Yes.
Elbow. Okumbo.
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 Okumbona.
Okumbona.
Okumboni.
Okumboni.
Okumbone.
Okumbone.
Okay? Anyalo tiyo gi okumbona yawo dhodno.
Anyalo timo okumbona.
Anyalo tiyo gi okumbona.
Anyalo tiyo gi okumbona.
Yawo dhodno.
Yawo dhodno.
So that means I can use my elbow to open the door. I can use my elbow to boom, burst on the door. Winjo.
Yep.
Go.
Boom.
Okumbona. Okay? All right, let's go to here.
The palm.
This is the
Palm.
palm.
Yeah.
Lueda. Lueta. No, not Lueta. This is Lueta.
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 Lueta. That is your hand. Now, little Lueta should be the fingers. Fingers are the little Lueta.
Lueta.
Little Lueta.
Little Lueta.
But this is, the whole thing is Lueta.
Lueta.
Okay? If you say Lueta ler.
Lueta ler.
Lueta ler means my
hands are clean.
Hands are clean. Lueta ler. Or you say Lueta olil.
Lueta olil.
Lueta olil.
Lueta olil.
My hands are dirty. Lith luedo. Talk.
Lith luedo.
Sonny, read here.
Lith luedo.
Lith luedo. Okay?
Lith luedo.
No, don't do that, Nick. Okay. Just put it on yourself.
Okay.
All right, let's start again. The next thing we talk about is our fingers. Let's put our fingers up. Our finger is called lit luedo.
Lith.
Luedo.
Lit luedo.
Lith Luedo.
So we say lit lueta.
Lith Lueta.
Read here. Lit lueta.
Lith Lueta.
That means my finger. Lit lueta. Can you say lit lueta?
Lith Lueta.
Yes. Good. The next thing is
Ich.
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 It's kind of like the normal word itch, but it's not spelled the actual
Yes,
way.
that's
It's
the thing.
spelled I-C-H.
So ich.
Each.
Can you say ich?
Ich.
And what does ich mean?
Stomach.
Your stomach. Ich is my stomach, okay?
Or belly.
So, or belly. So you say iyakaya.
Iakaya.
Nikki, iyakaya.
Iakaya.
That means I have a belly ache. Iyakaya.
Iakaya.
I have a belly ache. Or iya okwot.
Ia okot.
Iya okwot.
Ia okot.
So that means I have what? A swollen stomach. How would you say that? The next thing is the back. How do you call back? Tony, read.
Tok.
Tok. Correct. Tok. Toka. Touch your back. Toka. You have to talk. Toka.
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 Ma and 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 toki.
Ma
For the
and
other
toki.
person. So you do it for me. Say ma and toki.
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 Then, if we are saying to Nikki, we say ma and toke.
Ma and toke.
Ma and toke.
Ma and toke.
This is her back, okay? Ma and toke.
Ma and toke.
Ma and toke.
Ma
Again?
and toke.
Again?
Ma and toke.
Correct. Ma and toke. That is your back, okay? Then the next one is what?
Your butt or buttocks.
Your buttocks. And how you call it?
Wait, is that how people call it in Kenya?
How do you call it? Just read. Just read. Don't be afraid.
Sianda.
Yes. Sianda.
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 Siandana.
Siandana.
What does siandana mean?
My
My what?
buttocks.
My buttocks. Yes. Siandana.
Siandani.
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 What does siandani mean?
Your
Your what?
buttocks.
And then siandane.
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 And siandane means?
Her buttocks.
Good. Now, let's talk about, there's something I wanted us to talk about. This.
Nail.
The nails. Nails. My nails. How would you say my nails? Coca.
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 Coque.
Coque.
Coque is his nails, okay? Coqui.
Coqui.
Coqui is what?
Your nails.
Yes, so coqui.
Coqui.
Yes, so coqui becomes your nails. Coca becomes my nails, and coque becomes her nails, okay? So, for a sentence, you can say cocabello.
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 Bello, berry is good. So, what does cocabello mean?
Nail.
What does nail? No, cockbear means good. So, cocaber means what?
Good nail.
Yes, I have good nails, okay? Now, the other thing I want us to talk about is awicho koka.
Awicho koka.
Awicho koka.
Awicho koka.
So awicho means I've put nail polish on my nails, okay? So if you put nail polish on your nails, you say awicho koka.
Awicho koka.
Good. So I think that's it for today. We shall do a second video with most of the parts of the body. And please keep it here. And Nikki will finish it up. And then Tony will also finish.
If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell.
Alright, Tony, finish.
Oriti.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oriti.
Goodbye.
Oriti.